Okay, here's the second video on isosceles triangles. Again, you see they have the markings here. So again, see, it doesn't tell you it's an isosceles. It just says the figure is, a trapezoid. But again, since it has these markings, it's this special type of trapezoid. It's an isosceles trapezoid. Okay, so we're just looking at the angles. Again, know which one's your parallel sides, right? Because that's gonna help you, right? Make them darker or put the little arrows on them. Same thing here. It's gonna be one of two scenarios, right? Right, so coming back over here. If they're putting two expressions where the base angles are, then you put this expression, right? They're congruent, right? They're congruent, so you put this expression equal to this one. Whether it's a base angle here and here, or whether it's a base angle here and here. If they put it this way, like before, the same way that the parallel lines go, then these add up to 180, right? Whatever this one is plus the other one equals 180. That's the two scenarios that are going to happen. So let's look at number 5 here. Go ahead and pause it here, copy it, and then push play so you can follow along. Okay, so here are the parallel lines. Pretty much on an isosceles trapezoid, ask yourself, is this a base angle with this? Because if it is, I put it equal to each other. This is a base angle, there's nothing here. This is a base angle. So these are not base angles. See, these are the ones that are same side angles where the parallel lines are. See, these are the ones that add up to 180. So whatever it is, put this expression or number, add it to this expression or number, add those two, and they add up equal to 180. So we got 3x plus 23 on this first one, plus what? The 130. Add them up, equal to what? They should equal to what? 180. And you're going to get 3x plus, this will be 153 equals 180. When you subtract, you get 3x equals what? 180 minus 153, that's 27. Oh, 3 times what is 27? Well, then x equals 9, right? Divide by 3, divide by 3. And then be careful, if it just says to solve for x, then that's all you need to do. All you need to do is solve for x. Okay, we got it. That's it for that one. Let's go to the next one. And again, here's my isosceles trapezoid. It has these little things. And see, now here are the parallel sides, but see, yes, the base angles are the two expressions that are given. The base angles are the two expressions that are given, so we put these equal to each other. Put this equal to this, or this equal to this, and you solve it. Okay, so 95 degrees is equal to 3 plus 92x. Oh, this one's easy. Subtract 3, that's 92 equals 92. That's not a 92. Well, then you're going to get x equals 1. Okay, so when it's the base angles, whether it's the bottom two, if they give you an expression here and an expression here, you put them equal to each other because they're congruent. In this case, they gave you the top two. Those should be congruent. So you put them equal to each other, you solve it. Okay, the last type of problems, again, similar. Just, again, they're not going to ask you to solve for x. You're going to have to solve for x anyways, and then come back and substitute it here. Oh, this one's a little bit trickier. Okay, here we go. So, actually, I'm going to need some more paper here. Okay, here we go. Here's where we got to be careful with this. All right, let me zoom in here. Find the measure of angle D. See, I need to find this one. Okay, we'll get to that. Don't worry about that right now. Right now, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so we do have an isosceles trapezoid. The sides are congruent, and these are the base angles. This and this are base angles, right? Because the parallel lines are running this way. So these are the base angles. We put that equal to each other. 5x plus 32 equals 6x plus 22. And when you solve for x, let's say that's going to be minus 5x minus 5x. That'll be 32 is equal to 6 take away 5 is 1x, or just x plus 22. When I solve for x, I'm going to leave the x here and subtract 22. I'm going to get x equals 10. Okay, I got the answer, x equals 10. Now watch here. They're not asking you for this angle. And I bet you whatever answer you get for this angle, it's also going to match this angle. Let's see. If x is 10, 5 times 10 is 50 plus 32. 50 plus 32. That's 82. Okay, that means that this angle here is 82 degrees. I bet you're going to get the same thing here. Let's see. Remember, x is 10. X is 10. 6 times 10 is 60 plus 22. 60 plus 22. It's also 82. Of course it is. Remember, these base angles are congruent. But they're not asking you for this angle or this angle. They're not asking you for angle F or for angle C. This one said to find angle D, the one over here. But I still need to get these measures. I still need this 82, right? Because now I know these base angles are the ones that are congruent. But since they're asking me for this one here, what is true about this one and the 82, which is this one? Remember, they add up to 180. Going this way. So if this is 82, this has to be 98. Right? These have to add to one. Add to what? 180. So if I do 180, take away the 82, you'll get the 98. So the answer for this question, right, is the angle that they want. I mean, you should be able to substitute x back in there and again find all of them, and then answer the one they want. Oh, they want angle D. Okay, the answer for angle D is 98 degrees. Okay, one more like this. Oh, this one, I like this one already. Okay, go to number 8. Why am I saying I like this one? Well, I like this one because the one they're asking me to find the measure for is one of them that I have an expression for. Okay, so which ones are my one pair of parallel sides? This way. Okay, that's fine. But I know this is an isosceles trapezoid. That means that this base angle and this base angle are congruent. But these expressions are not base angles. These expressions are the ones that are going this way, right? It would be this angle congruent to this angle, or it would be this one congruent to this one. But see, now they put them like this. Well, this is like the other assignment. These angles, you don't put them equal to each other. These are the ones that what? Like we did over here, they have to add up to what? Add to 180 degrees. So we got to do that to solve for x. So I'm going to put this first one, 11 plus 9x, add it to what? A 5x plus 15. And it has to equal to what? 180. All right, combine like terms. I'm going to add the variables with the variables. 9 plus 5 is 14x. And the 11 plus 15 is a positive 26. 14x plus 26 is equal to 180. Subtract 26. Subtract 26 because I'm solving for x. Subtract 26. Subtract 26. That's going to be 14x equals, I think that's like 154. Yeah, I think it is. And when you divide and you divide by 14 and you divide by 14, you're going to get x equals 11. You're going to get x equals 11. That's the answer for x, but that's not what they want you to just find. They want you to continue and find the measure of angle G. What do I have to do to find the measure of angle G? Well, according to this, G, or angle G, according to this, angle G is 5 times x plus 15. So I already have the answer for x. So 5 times 11, right? Because x is 11. 5 times 11, get that answer and then add 15 to it. That'll be your answer for the measure of angle G. That's going to be a 55 plus another 15. I'm going to get 70. That is the answer that they want. So guess what? That is it. That's the answer. Angle G is 70. Okay, that's it. Keeping it pretty simple. Not too much of a lot of new things happening here, right? Okay, good luck. Finish this up. It will be on the test. Okay, bye-bye.